Milwaukee introduces the M18 Fuel 18-gauge narrow crown stapler, delivering unmatched stapling performance without the hassle of a compressor and hose. The new M18 Fuel narrow crown stapler leverages Milwaukee's nitrogen air spring mechanism to deliver the power to consistently sink staples into hard materials, and features a wide range of depth adjustment to prevent blow-through in softer materials. The combination of our Power State brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence provides unmatched fire rate with zero ramp-up time, keeping you efficient throughout your day. The narrow crown stapler's compact size provides access to corners and tight spaces. The M18 Fuel 18-gauge narrow crown stapler delivers the pneumatic performance that professional carpenters expect with the freedom and convenience of cordless.